the theory of indices. So this chapter is concerned with a new idea about the concept of index, and this was introduced by Gauss. Okay. Suppose any integer n has a primitive root r. Now remember that what this line means. Okay. Now we up till now we just discussed primitive root and all things around the primitive root. But what exactly primitive root? So whenever this line comes, any integer n has primitive root r. What does it means? It means r to the power phi of n is congruent to 1 modulo n. Suppose any integer n has a primitive root r, as we know that the first phi of n powers of r, which are they? R, r square, up to and so on, r to the power phi of n. These are congruent modulo n. Okay, so first phi of n powers of r, these are what? These all are congruent to each other under modulo n. Okay, but their orders may be different or may be same. Okay, hence if a is an arbitrary integer relatively prime to n, then a can be expressed in the form a congruent to r to the power k modulo n. Okay, so if a is relatively prime to n, means if gcd of a with n is 1, then we can express a as a is congruent to r to the power k modulo n, where k is lies in between 1 and phi of n. So let's have definition. Let r be the primitive root of n. Let r be the primitive root of n. If gcd of a with n is 1, then the smallest positive integer k such that a is congruent to r to the power k modulo n is called the index of a relative to r. Okay, so what is r? R is primitive root of n and a is co-prime to n. Then for the smallest positive integer k, note, highlight this word, smallest positive integer k, such that a is congruent to r to the power k modulo n. What is k here? K is smallest positive integer. Okay, so a is congruent to r to the power k modulo n is called the index of a, is called the index of a relative to r, is called a index of a relative to r. That is, index of a relative to r is equals to k. So this power, smallest power, positive power k, is what? Index of a relative to r. We denote the index of a relative to r by index of a relative to r, like this. Okay, index of a and r is in suffix, or simply by index of a. So clearly, index of a relative to r is lies in between 1 and phi of n, and r to the power index of a relative to r is congruent to a modulo n. Whenever you see this notation, index of a relative to r, this means what? GCD of a comma n is equals to 1. This notation is meaningless unless GCD of a comma n is equals to 1. Okay.